Hi my friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am super excited for this one that we're going to be doing today. Today I'm going to be showing you how to smoke your fish at home by yourself with basically what you have at home. You don't necessarily have to buy smoked fish every single time you need smoked fish. This is like a kitchen prep or a meal prep instead, not a kitchen prep, it's a meal prep. I love to buy my fish in bulk like this, then smoke it, keep them in my refrigerator or just spread them outside for like a week or two. Then I make use of them as I want to cook. So I noticed that some of the recipes have been posting demands for smoked fish, so it would be nice if I show you how to smoke your own fish, right? So without so much being said, let's move right into this video. So for this video or recipe, we're going to be making use of fresh fish, which is going to be the star of our ingredients. I mean, should we are smoking fish, so we need fresh fish for this particular recipe. And if you are in Nigeria, you will find various types of fresh fish. We have titus, we have egg, we have kote, we have shawa, we have a lot, we have eja also. So whichever fish that you want to use is just fine. Just grab your fresh fish and let's get right into what we're going to be doing. So I have posted a short on how I smoke my own fish, and I got a lot of backlash in that video that I did not remove the inside of my fish before I smoke it. I want to ask you a question. When you buy smoked fish from the market, do they open it up and remove what's inside before they smoke it? No. So why are we trying to complicate issues because I am the one that is smoking it at home? Let me tell you something, my friends. The reason why I did not remove the inside of the fish, those intestine of the fish, is because I want it to be firm. Because if I am folding the fish, because we're going to be folding this fish now, and if I fold the fish may tend to scatter because what is inside is no longer inside and it's not going to be firm. So that is the basic reason why I did not remove the inside of the fish. All I did was get the fish from the local market, give it a good rinse. After rinsing, just bring it to your kitchen counter table and work with it. It's going to be just fine. When you want to use your fish, you just debone the fish, of course, then remove the inside of the fish and you're ready to use your fish. It's very simple. So I'm going to be dividing this fish into two. I'll be smoking some just like this. I'm not going to be folding, I'll just smoke it like this. And the second part of the fish, I'll be folding it into round. So you can choose to smoke your fish anyhow you like it, but just like I love to show you these two different ways to smoke your fish. And if you are smoking your fish at home and you don't have a outdoor grill, you can choose to use your air fryer or your oven. These are the two basic options you can choose to use at home if you don't have an outdoor grill. So I'm going to show you how to use your air fryer to smoke your fish, and I'm going to be showing you how to use your oven to smoke your fish. I'm nice, right? So let's get right into it. So as I said earlier, we're going to be dividing the fish into two. This fish is already properly rinsed and ready to go. 4, 5, 6. When is here? This is 6. Okay. 3, 6, 7. 3, 6, 7. We have 7 here and we have 7 here. So for this one, I will just leave it like this. I think I should take this out of this one so that it can fit into the tray very well. Okay, this is better, I think. So I'm just going to be leaving this one in the tray just like this. I'm not going to be doing anything to this. You don't have to do anything to this. You don't have to rub it with salt, because trust me, our fish contains a little bit of salt from the ocean, so you don't have to rub it with salt when you are smoking it. When you're ready to cook your food, you are free to then rub it with your seasoning, and we just want to keep it basic. We are meal prepping, so there's nothing too much to do right now. But I'm just going to leave this one like this. Is the way we're going to be smoking this one, just like this. While this second batch, we're going to be folding it into a round shape. I'm going to be showing you how I'll be doing that right now. So let's set this aside. So for these other ones, I'm going to be rolling it, like folding it into a round shape, just like the way we see it in our local market. You need this type of toothpick, and if you cannot find this type of toothpick, you can use this long one. Whichever one you can find is fine, just to grab the fish when you fold it in. So let's fold. When you have your fish like this, it is very simple. When you have your fish like this, what are you going to do? You're going to fold it into a round shape using your thumb to support it so that it doesn't break. So gently fold your fish into a round shape using your thumb to hold it down. So we fold our fish. Now open up the mouth of your fish. Are you seeing me? My friends, are you seeing? So open up the mouth of your fish, then put it in. It's very simple. Once you've done this, you support it with this your other thumb, grabbing the mouth of your fish and the tail of your fish. Now get your toothpick. Insert your toothpick from the first side of the head to the other side. You can even pinch it in. You can pinch the tail of the fish a little bit so that it can be firm. Then pass it out to the mouth of the second side of the fish. There we go. Do you understand? So let's keep this side. Let's do it again. This is your fish. Using your thumb to support, hold it down, then gently fold. Okay? Open up the mouth of the fish, put in the tail inside the mouth. Using your thumb to support, insert your toothpick, pass it through the tail, then connect it with the other side of the mouth. You understand? This is exactly what you want it to look like. Why I love this method is because of space management. If you are looking to manage your space, look at this method contained 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Why the other one could only contain just 6? Why this one could contain 8? So if you are looking to manage your space, you can choose to fold your fish like this and smoke it. Whichever way you choose to do it, you will get the same perfect result. So if you are going to be using your air fryer to smoke your fish, it's very easy. The first thing you want to do is connect your air fryer to light source or power source. So let's do that. Connected. So once you've connected your air fryer, we're going to be setting it into manual function. Your air fryer should have different functions, just like this. So we're going to be determining the function we're going to be setting it to. So let's set it to manual function real quick. So we'll come to function. This is where functioning. This is currently on chicken wings. I don't know if you are seeing it. So let's adjust. We are on manual right now. So when we get to manual, we're going to adjust the time. Let's set it for 50 minutes. We are currently on 58 minutes. I'm going to be leaving that. So let's adjust the temperature to 170 degrees. We are currently on 170 degrees. And that is the setting we're going to be using. So for 58 minutes, we're going to be smoking our fish in the air fryer at 170 degrees. Just for proper fitting, we're going to be putting the ones we folded into the air fryer. I think the air fryer will just contain 2. It's not so big. So let's just do 2. And just like that, our fish has started smoking. Now let's proceed to the ones we are going to be smoking in our oven. So this is my oven, and my oven has 2 functions. It has the electronic function and the gas function. So today we're going to be using the gas function because currently there is no light. So we're going to be setting the gas function to 180 degrees. I'm not going to be using time because I'm using gas. So 180 degrees, and I'll be checking at intervals. I'll do my first checking at 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, I will check again and I will carry you along. So let's set it to 180 degrees. 180 degrees. Okay, it's been 1 hour 30 minutes of smoking in the oven, and I'm pretty sure our fish should be ready by now. Oops, salt. Let's bring out the second one. Oops, this is hot. The one in the oven took us about 1 hour 30 minutes, and this one in the air fryer took us 58 minutes. So let's check. Okay, that was pretty much easy. We've smoked our fish and we've prepped for future purpose. Now we can use this fish to make noodles, to make spaghetti, to make stew, to make soup. We can use it to make anything we want to use it to make. All we have to do is to store this in our freezer. I'm going to be storing mine in the freezer. And if you don't have a freezer, I think you can sun dry this on a daily basis till when you've exhausted everything. But I would advise that if you are sun drying it, don't do a very large batch of it. Just do a little, maybe 1 week smoked fish that will last you for the week, and as you use, just sun dry it and it will last you. But if you have a freezer, wrap it the way I'm going to be wrapping it now and store it in your freezer, and you can use it till it is exhausted so far there is electricity in your freezer. So let's wrap it. So my friends, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this particular episode, and let me know if you'll be wanting more meal prepping videos or recipe, because trust me, this is going to be very useful on the long run. Now you can expect soups recipe, stews recipe, and I'm sure if you recreate this one, you'll be ready for as much recipe that I bring on anything that requires smoked fish. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have watched to this point and you've not subscribed yet, please kindly hit the subscribe button. The notification bell right beside that subscribe button is very important, like the subscribe button you've hit, because the notification bell will notify you whenever I upload a new video. In fact, if you hit that notification bell, you'll always be the first person to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So please hit the notification bell. Do not forget to give me a thumbs up if you found this video helpful. Do not forget to drop your comments and your suggestions in the comment section. I love you and I appreciate that you watch me till this point. I would love to see you in my next one. Bye.